Welcome to the BBS Academy, a School of Arts and Science. To the discussion today is science, matter and its states of and Brownian movement, atoms and molecules, chemical bonds by Virabhadriya Demaya. Now, I am Virabhadriya Demaya, retired geoanalytical chemist, marine chemist from the Geological Reserve of India, staying in Kalyan Nagar, Bangalore. Well, friends, matter occupies space and possesses mass and may exist as solid, liquid, or gas. That is the three states of matter. Pure substance, they are classified into pure substance and a mixture. What is the pure substance? Matter having an invariant chemical composition and distinct properties. They are further classified into elements and compounds. Fundamental substance. What is an element? It is a fundamental substance. It cannot be separated into a simpler substance by chemical methods. What is a compound? Substance compound of two or more elements in a fixed proportions can be separated into simpler substances and many other elements only by chemical methods. Coming to the mixtures, matter consisting of two or more pure substances that retain their individual identities or the properties and can be separated by physical methods. They are further divided into heterogeneous mixtures and homogeneous mixtures. Homo means same, that is same kind of atoms and uniform composition and properties throughout is called homogeneous mixture or a solution. Hetero means different. Heterogeneous means mixture not uniform in composition and properties throughout. So here is very important thing is to know iron metal, that is a solid, table salt, that is also a crystalline solid, then apple juice is a uniform liquid which is homogeneous, and salad dressing which is heterogeneous mixture. So the examples. Now solid, liquid, gas and plasma states are the states of matter. Solid state is a definite crystalline solid lattice structure. Liquid state, the molecules that make a liquid flow easily around the another, and gaseous state, the molecules which are still unstable, and the plasma state is further unstable. This is Brownian motion of a particle. Zigzag, random, rapid motion of a particle is called Brownian motion of a particle. Now coming to this Brownian moment of a particle is very important aspects of scientific thoughts and ideas, and the zigzag rapid random motion of a particle is called the Brownian motion, which leads to the further study of scattering of light, etc. Coming to an atom, you know, atom is the smallest particle of an element constituting the fundamental particles or subatomic particles which are called by electrons, protons and neutrons. The electrons which are revolving around the nucleus of an atom, whereas nucleus is constituted by or composed by protons and neutrons together called nucleus of an atom. The electrons which are revolving around the nucleus of an atom in different orbitals like K, L, and MOP, etc., depending upon the nature of the distribution of electrons. So that is electronic configuration in future. Let us discuss about the future electronic configuration and all. So this is a very important factors, atoms and molecules. This is an atom, is the smallest particle of an element. You know that matter is defined physical substance which is composed by the fundamental unit of matter is called atom. Atom is also constituent particles which are called electrons, protons and neutrons. Coming to the chemical bond, the hydrogen for example bond, two atoms combine together to form a molecule. This is, you see, the hydrogen atom. Now you see two hydrogen atoms. They are combining together to form a hydrogen molecule. The sharing of two electrons by means of a covalent bond. Matter is an atom composed by many atoms. That is, coming to the atom, as I told you, the electron cloud, the nucleus of an atom, around which the electron cloud is nothing but the distribution of electrons in the different orbital levels. Water molecules. Water vapor consists of this is the water molecules, water vapor in a vaporized state. The liquid water, this is the water in a glass tumbler, you can call it as this, this type of arrangement of water molecules. And coming to the ice, which is a lattice structure, ice is a solid. So this is the structure of water in different phases, that is vapor state, liquid state and solid state of matter. So well friends, the electron is a subatomic particle, electrons and all these things, elementary changes in protons and neutrons. Now the neutron, which is no charge, proton is a positive charge and electron is a negative charge particle in an atomic structure. So this is a very important phenomenon, composition of constituents of atom. As I told you, the electrons which are revolving around the nucleus of an atom, and the atomic sizes of this electron, protons and neutrons, atomic size is 10 to the power of -8 centimeter, and coming to the nucleus is concerned, which is 10 to the power of 12 centimeters. The size of an electron is less than 10 to the power of -16 centimeter and almost equivalent to the 10 to the power of -13 centimeter in case of neutron. Quark is 10 to the power of 16 centimeter, which is subatomic particle. So this is a very important concept in which a chemical bond is a lasting attraction between atoms. And ionic bonds, covalent bonds, metallic bonds, hydrogen bonds, different types of bonds depending upon the sharing of electrons or distribution of electrons, nature of electrons, where you can see the bonding together. In case of ionic bond, this is sharing, the ions. In case of the sodium chloride, the transference of electrons. The electron is transferred to the chlorine atom, where the outermost orbital electron is combining with the chlorine atom together, which forms a transferring of electrons, leads to the study of ionic bonds. In case of sharing of electrons, you see here the sharing of electrons is very important. This sharing of electrons will have its own way of combining together to form the covalent bond. Two hydrogen molecules combining together to form a covalent bond. Here similarly different types of bonding are taking place together here in this one. Very important. Now we will pass on to the things further in forthcoming classes. We will discuss about the importance of atoms, particularly the part played by the atoms and the electrons, protons, subatomic particles, electrons, protons and neutrons are covered in the forthcoming classes. Well friends, like, share, subscribe.